Hi guys! If you love chocolate, you have to try this homemade chocolate liqueur. It's super quick and easy to make, irresistibly creamy. You can sip it on its own, mix it into cocktails, or even serve as a chocolate sauce with desserts. For this creamy chocolate liqueur, you will need 10 egg yolks, coffee cream or regular cream, your favorite chocolate, a good quality vanilla bean, a pinch of salt, powdered sugar, and I'm adding a splash of Kahlúa. And of course, we'll also need rum. I'm using dark rum today, but light rum works just as well. First, separate the eggs and set the yolks aside. Chop the chocolate into small pieces and melt it. While the chocolate is melting, scrape the seeds from the vanilla bean and add them to the yolks. Sift in the powdered sugar and whisk everything until creamy. Add a pinch of salt, then slowly stir in the melted chocolate. Next, gradually add the cream and finally stir in the rum and Kahlúa if you're using it. Now, place the mixture over a water bath and heat it slowly until it reaches at least 160 Fahrenheit or 70 Celsius degrees. Make sure to stir constantly so it warms evenly and doesn't overheat in one spot. It's really important not to let it boil, just heat it gently until it reaches the right temperature. This step pasteurizes the yolks, makes the liqueur safe to store, and gives it that wonderful creamy texture. Then remove it from heat and pour the hot liquor into clean, sterilized bottles. Seal them and let them cool down completely before storing them in the fridge. The liqueur will keep in the fridge for about 2 to 4 weeks. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and will give it a try yourself. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!